Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to change the language in Call of Duty Mobile. So all you have to do is launch the game on your device, and then once you get to this page, all you have to do is tap on the settings icon in the top right corner. So here it is. Tap on it. And then from the settings, scroll through this menu until you find the language option and select it. And now from here, you should see all the available language in this game. So find the language that you like to use. So for instance, if I want to use Italian, so select it. And then you'll see you'll need to log in again if you want to switch languages. All you have to do is just press OK. And the game now will relaunch. And now it will change the language. Let's give it a few seconds. And now, as you can see, the language has changed. So that's basically it on how to change the language in Call of Duty Mobile. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.